Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I am going to be doing my wash and go for my wedding.
And
As you can tell from the title, I am surprising you guys with the products that I'm using. So if you guessed the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection, you were correct.
bam, 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 hey, ooh-wee.
I did a wash and go with these products a couple weeks ago and I absolutely loved it. It only took me like 20-25 minutes to even do the wash and go, and it lasted and it was so defined for like 7 days. It looked amazing. So I figure that's a good combo to use for my wedding, so that's what I'm gonna do. The ceremony is in 3 days. We're just going to the courthouse, but we're gonna dress up and it's gonna be cute. And my mom is throwing us a dinner on Friday, so this wash and go I believe is gonna last until then and gonna be looking good on Friday too. I'm definitely going to include some pictures from the ceremony and the dinner so you can see how my hair turned out and what my dress looks like and anything else you want to see. These are my wedding nails. I got them done yesterday. Our colors are blue and pink, and so I kind of got this chrome on the end. So for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I am sure you guys have seen me use this on my channel. It has made appearances in many videos. It's one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, and I just bought another bottle, so I'm like, I can finally kind of use this one up without being too worried. I only have about this much left. And this was one of the 2 leave-ins that I found would mix with this gel the last time I used it. So this works and it smells really good. Okay, before we get started with this video, I'd just like to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. All right, let's get started. First, I'm going to be spraying my hair with some warm water. And I'm gonna add about this much of the leave-in. Okay, now I'm gonna add some of the gel. This is a very thick gel and I really love the consistency. When you're doing wash and goes, make sure that you are getting your roots. That's just gonna make sure that your hair is not puffy at the roots and everything looks pretty uniform. And right before I add the mousse, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Africa's Best herbal oil. And I'm doing this to try to minimize frizz, because I did have a little bit of frizz in the back of my head last time that I did this wash and go.
Relax.
The definition was definitely amazing. I just want to minimize as much frizz as possible. So now I'm going to add some of the mousse. I did about 2 pumps, which probably was too much. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like once I finish adding all the products. It looks super defined. I don't have to shingle or anything, and I'm gonna have amazing definition. All right, I'm just gonna keep adding these products, and I'll be back when I'm done to show you guys my results. Okay, I just finished applying the products to my hair, and it's looking great.
Whoa, looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Whoa, mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa.
This is what the back is looking like. Okay, so I will probably be back tomorrow once my hair is fully dry to show you guys what it's looking like. And then I'll also show you guys what it's looking like on my wedding day. Okay, I'm back. This is my hair on day 4. and it's also my wedding day. So I wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like. It's looking great. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. This is what the back is looking like. I just wanted to come on here and quickly show you guys how it turned out and to show you the little bit of makeup that I did. I did a little bit on my brows and then I did my eyeshadow.
Barely.
I didn't do it on camera because I did not want to embarrass myself because I basically never wear makeup. I also did a little bit of a highlight on my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Whatever. I just felt like I should do something that's a little bit more than what I do on a regular basis because this is a special occasion. But yeah, I gotta go. I gotta finish getting ready. I will include some pictures of the big day right after this. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.